Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy Beauty unboxing video. My name's Amy Harber. Here's all the cool places you can find me. I'm also on TikTok. I think it's the same as my Instagram. I don't know. It might be without the D. Yeah, it's possibly without the D. Anyway, I'm there. This is the February 2021 Birchbox. Looks like you get an official pause button hall pass for yourself that you can present to your loved ones, roommates, or pets whenever you need a minute to yourself to do one of the following things, like get excited, get some air, massage your face, spray yourself with facial mist, leave in a leave-in conditioner, or just, give yourself a treatment with a mask or something. I think if I give this to my pet, she'll just ignore me. So let's not do that and instead talk about these products. Hey there, February Birchbox. There you go. It's supposed to be products with your wellness in mind. Think of your daily routine as an opportunity to practice wellness and self-care. Okay, well, let's see how we're going to be practicing wellness and self-care. Okay. We have the Estate Lip Icing in Glazed. Ooh, it's like a pinkish rose, glittery, shimmery. There we go. It tastes kind of like icing. You can use the tip as a liner. There we go. Ooh, I very much like this. It's great. Goes on very smooth. It's not super sticky. It even says it's a non-sticky. There we go. Your lips, but better. Oh, you can also use it on top of like lipstick. Then we have the ModelCo More Brows. I like this one because it's very small, so it travels really well. There we go. Darken those blonde eyebrows. There we go. It's like my whole face just opened up. There we go. Then, Touch and Soul All-in-One Beauty Aid Cream. It's a moisture face cream. It's triple barrier moisture. It's awesome. It's one of my favorite products. Then we have VITAMASQUES Rose Gommage Peeling Gel. It's a gentle rose exfoliator designed to purify pores and eliminate dead skin cells. So you basically put it on your face, massage it around for 2 minutes, and then rinse it off. There we go. Then we have NatureLab Tokyo Perfect Repair Leave-In Treatment. It deeply strengthens your hair. So basically, clean dry hair. Let your hair dry, blow it dry. It's going to be awesome. It's going to make your hair softer and healthier. And then finally, a little bonus, a little extra, Crabtree and Evelyn Rose Femme de Force scent. It's an updated classic rose scent with citrus and warm spices and smoky woods, and let's find out. Ooh. I'm not kidding when I say it smells like your grandmother's perfume grew up. Like it does. It's It's like a mature version of your grandmother's perfume, which I enjoy greatly. It's an interesting scent. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, I like it, but it still like reminds me of like being a little kid and playing around with all my grandmother's perfume. So there is that. Anyway, those are all the products. This is where you can find me. Hit that subscribe, like, watch another video if it's here, there, somewhere. And also hit the notification so you know when I go live. Until next time, stay beautiful.